Hello everyone, and today I'll tell you how to charge your Xiaomi 13T using different charging methods. So first one and the main one gonna be your original charger which comes into the box. Alright, so grab your charger, plug it into a power outlet first of all. Okay, we've powered it. Now grab your Type-C connected to your charger and simply insert it into charging port right here at the bottom of your phone. All right, just like that, we've got our charging going on. So Xiaomi 13T comes with a 67-watt charger which charges the phone to full in about 52 minutes. Xiaomi supports 120-watt fast charging. You will need to purchase a 120-watt adapter separately. With this adapter, the phone can be charged from 0 to 100 in just about 25 minutes. Also, you can charge your Xiaomi with a power bank. You can charge it via laptop or PC. However, laptop or PC method is the slowest one and it can take really several hours to fully charge. And the last one, which I would like to talk about, is wireless charging. However, unfortunately, wireless charging is not supported by this particular phone. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.